I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss coming back with another video. Yeah, I'm doing 2 videos in one day. You know why? Because I'm falling in love with the Dua brand. All right, so I bought 4 more Dua brand fragrances. And I know y'all looking at me like, Chris, why you just keep buying them? I got 12 now. All right, I love Dua, man. So check this out. I'm gonna tell y'all what 4 I bought, and I got a special announcement at the end of the video. Okay, I'm doing a giveaway. All right, a special giveaway. All right, so make sure y'all stay to the end of the video because y'all gonna really want to know that, because y'all might get something for free and save some money. You just never know. You know what I'm saying? You never know with Big Boss. I'm gonna keep the surprises coming. So don't skip to the end. Watch the video first, then go to the end to see what's, you know what I'm saying? See the little secret, little giveaway I got going on. But let's get into this brand. Okay, let me tell y'all, the Dua brand is a company who make original fragrances, and they make dupes of other fragrances. But they don't just make the dupes. What they try to do is they try to blend the dupes. So sometimes it might be Fan of Flames by Nashane mixed with Tom Ford Cherry Smoke or something. They'll blend them together, and then guess what? They make one creation. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this video, man. The first fragrance I want to talk about is called Angelic Elixir on the Rocks. This baby right here, man. Check out the design of the bottle. I love the little stickers they put on this, right? So what they did was they mixed Angel Share and Apple Brandy together to make this fragrance. So it's like both of the Apple fragrances by Killian, and yeah, it's just sexy. So if y'all out there and y'all thinking about picking up Latifah's Camera, because you're for the price y'all getting it because the price is low and y'all don't want to pay $200 for the Killian, I'll suggest just getting the Angelic Elixir on the Rocks, because this baby right here is better than that. You know what I'm saying? It costs a little bit more, but it's better in my opinion. It lasts a little bit longer. And who wouldn't want Killian Apple Brandy mixed with Angel Share? Come on now. Like, that's just a no-brainer. I love this fragrance, bro. It's just apple on top of apple on top of apple. It's just really good. Okay. Another fragrance I picked up. Oh, I want to let y'all know that I picked up these fragrances because of you guys. Y'all keep going in the comments and telling me what to get. So that's kind of why I keep buying these fragrances, because y'all in the comments of the last Dua fragrance video I made telling me to go pick this up. So somebody else had told me to pick up Dragons of London, and this is inspired by London by Raja Parfum. You know, Raja, they be making that money on, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I think this is my favorite one. Like, this just smells expensive. Okay, so let me tell you how my brand operates. I know what cheap fragrances smell like. Like, I know the DNA of a cheap fragrance. I know the DNA of a designer fragrance. And I know the DNA of a real expensive niche fragrances. Niche fragrances, designer fragrances, and cheap fragrances all got a different feel to them. Okay, so that's why if you can find like a designer fragrance that smells like a niche fragrance, all right, you going somewhere. That means you saving some money. And if you find a cheap fragrance that smells like a designer fragrance, okay, that's good for the cheap fragrance. But if you get a designer fragrance that smells like a cheap fragrance, you really don't want to get a niche fragrance that smells like a cheap fragrance. That's going to really irritate everybody. So with that being said, the Dragons of London is great. This fragrance costs $60, but it smells just like London by Raja Parfums, and that fragrance is like $300. All right. The next fragrance I want to talk about is called Smoke Hotness. Okay. Let me go ahead and just remember what this smelled like, because I remember they said it was like apple and cinnamon. Yeah. Oh yeah. So it smells like an apple hookah. Yeah, an apple cinnamon hookah. That's what this smells like, and it doesn't smell bad. Like, I never thought about wearing a hookah smell on a cologne. Like, I never thought about that, but the Dua brand did it. This one is great. And you know, I'm gonna rate all these fragrances You know what I'm saying? Once I get to the last one. So this is the last one I picked up. Somebody else in the comments had told me to go get vanilla lemon gelato. Man, you know how to pick it up, so that's what I did. All right, this fragrance smells exactly like what it sounds. Vanilla lemon ice cream. Okay. Y'all know the creamsicles where it got like orange on the outside with cream on the inside? But this is just lemon on the outside, cream on the inside. This is exactly what it smells like, and this is an original fragrance from the Dua house. So they actually made this themselves. And I'm starting to realize anytime it's an original brand, they have an all black logo with just a little symbol like in the middle. So I kind of just like their designs. And I'm gonna keep on buying these Dua fragrances because I just love Dua. But if you have stayed into the end of the video, this is the announcement. So as you know, guys, I released my fragrances a few days ago. And so many people have been pre-ordering. But what I'm gonna do is for the next 8 people who order from my website, I'm gonna throw in a random free Dua brand fragrances starting as soon as I drop this video. Okay, so you see how I got, you know what I'm saying, this fragrance? Guess what? I got 2 of them, so I'm not lying. I'm gonna really send y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see how I got, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to think I'm lying. I got 2 of them, okay? I'm gonna give y'all the brand new one, freshly, never used. Check this out. You know what I'm saying? I bought an extra one just for y'all. So that means for all the people out there that think I'm lying about the Dua house and think I'm capped, I spent an extra $500 of my money just to prove to y'all that these fragrances smell good. I gotta make sure which one this is mine. Like, it's more going. And that's not it. Y'all think this a gang? What? More. That's vanilla brandy. Come on now. I got 8 bottles. I'm giving them away just for y'all. I bought them because I love y'all. You know what I mean? They come in like these little cute boxes. So I'm gonna make sure I have y'all fragrances in the box when y'all purchase a fragrance from my house. So if y'all think y'all picking up the job, you know what I mean, we're gonna get you a free Dua brand fragrance, okay? That's how we doing it. Y'all wanna pick up Sophisticate? Yeah, get you a free Dua brand fragrance. I got you. All right. So that's all I got for the video. Thank y'all for watching. And I don't think a lot of people gonna click this video because, you know, the Dua brand, I don't know, they might be hating or something. But for the people that did watch it, y'all are finna get some free stuff on whoever purchased. And if you purchase before Monday, is a 15% off code called REBRAND. Okay, the 15 off code is called REBRAND. So if you put that code in, you get 15% off. So that means you can only buy, let's say you bought a Boss, that's like $70, 15% off. Let's say you only paying like $50 or something like that, right? And then I'll send you a bottle of the Dua brand. Damn, that's like $120 value for just $60. You know what I mean? And you get to try Dua brand because I know you've seen people talking about it. You probably seen ads and whatever. And you get to try it for free. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to help y'all help me. You know what I'm saying? All right. I love y'all so much. I'm Big Boss, and I'm out.